Hey, good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Mistrade Evening Report. Hey, wanted to get to you a little early here. It's about 30 minutes before the cash close. I've got to scoot out of town for a quick day. So FYI, there will be no video tomorrow evening. But I will resume videos this weekend covering this week's action as far as what we can expect for the following week. Otherwise, let's take a look at what levels we got going on, what news we have tomorrow. Currently, as I talked about yesterday, we had to be aware of a head fake at that 1204 level. They popped it up there. It looks like they got some people long up there, and then they just absolutely blitzed them on the way down. 1206, a lot of people weren't looking at the 1206, at least I wasn't. I'm not even sure what was up there at 1206, but nonetheless, we ended up with a big move to the downside from that level. We were able to get long this morning, caught a nice trade to the upside, and then of course this big move to the downside. So what's this telling us? Well, we broke out of the flag up here, which was exactly what we were expecting, and we knew that there could be a head fake. I was expecting the 1215 to 1217 level that we identified up above. However, we didn't get it. We've moved back into this channel now, so we are chopping around. Now also, if you look here, this is pretty quick sell-off here, and you have to be aware of this. The market is still skittish, guys, and you just have to be aware that with any kind of crazy news, and I'm not even sure what this news was or if it even was news, but any type of bad news could prompt a quick sell-off in the market. So if you're not using stops and you're not trailing your stops and locking in some profits, you could be harming yourself and your account. So let's take a look at levels for tomorrow. On the upside, we're still looking at the 1215, 1217 level. Now there could be a stop at the 1212 level, guys. Just make sure you have that one marked down. If you're long up above the 1206, obviously 1206 now is a number for us as well. But I like the 1217 level to the upside. If we get more legs, 1220 would be an area to take some profit in right here. And then, of course, above that, look for the 1241 to 1245 area. There is some other stops in there. That's a lot of real estate, but that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at longer term. I'm not looking to scalp the thing down. On the downside, same levels, the 1277. Now, right now, we have currently put in the low at 1281 and a quarter, but right now, the 1177 is the number I'm watching. Actually, 1177.50 area. Down below that, we have a little zone at the 57 area. I like the zone from the 1157 area down to the 1155. That could hold this move to the downside. And then, of course, down below that, we have our ever famous 1148.49 area. And then, of course, if we get weaker, the 1141, we blow through that. Who knows where it's going from there? Market's crazy. Tomorrow news, guys, we have a load of news out in the morning. I suspect some volatility early. At 8:30, these are all Eastern Standard Times, 8:30 a.m. we have Consumer Price Index and jobless claims. At 10 a.m. we have three things. We have existing home sales, we have Philly Fed, and we have leading indicators. So those five pieces of information could provide some serious volatility to the market. Guys, watch your levels, use good stop management, and if you're not trading with a plan, guys, please get a plan put together. And as I mentioned yesterday, go to pittrades.com, pittrades.com, and register for the free newsletter. Check out our site, check out our services. We got some cool things going on, and we can definitely help you out. Otherwise, trade well tomorrow. Look for the video this weekend. Have a good one.